Cardano value equivalent to 6.3174 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.1971. 6.6139. The earlier day close, 6.4654. The change was 0.1480, 2.29%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, February 14, cost 6.53 rands, high 6.99, low 6.07. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, February 15, cost 6.68 rands, high 7.15, low 6.21. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, February 16, cost 6.75 rands, high 7.22, low 6.28. Cardano gauge on Friday, February 17, cost 6.11 rands, high 6.54, low 5.68. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Monday, February 20, cost 6.06 rands, high 6.48, low 5.64. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, February 21, cost 6.51 rands, high 6.97, low 6.05. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, February 22, cost 6.26 rands, high 6.70, low 5.82. Cardano estimate on Thursday, February 23, cost 6.28 rands, high 6.72, low 5.84. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, February 24, cost 6.18 rands, high 6.61, low 5.75. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Monday, February 27, cost 6.09 rands, high 6.52, low 5.66. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28, cost 6.05 rands, high 6.47, low 5.63. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, walk 1, cost 6.38 rands, high 6.83, low 5.93. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, walk 2, cost 6.66 rands, high 7.13, low 6.19. Cardano estimate on Friday, walk 3, cost 6.27 rands, high 6.71, low 5.83. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost 6.46 rands, high 6.91, low 6.01. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 6.24 rands, high 6.68, low 5.80. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 6.64 rands, high 7.10, low 6.18. Cardano gauge on Thursday, walk 9, cost 6.39 rands, high 6.84, low 5.94. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, cost 7.02 rands, high 7.51, low 6.53. In about a month Cardano gauge on Monday, walk 13, cost 6.60 rands, high 7.06, low 6.14. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 6.55 rands, high 7.01, low 6.09. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 6.78 rands, high 7.25, low 6.31. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for February 2023. In the first place cost at 6.75 rands, exorbitant cost 7.30, while low cost 5.63. The found the middle value of cost 6.43. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.05, change for February 10.4%. Cardano conjecture for walk 2023. Before all else cost at 6.05 rands, excessive cost 7.97, while low cost 5.22. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.21. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.61. Change for spring 7.3%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else cost at 5.61 rands, excessive cost 6.97, while low cost 5.61. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.18. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.51. Change for April 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for May 2023. Initially cost at 6.51 rands, excessive cost 6.51, while low cost 5.09. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.90. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.47. Change for May 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 5.47 rands, exorbitant cost 5.47. While low cost 4.27, the found the middle value of cost 4.95. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.59. Change for June 16.1%. Cardano estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.59 rands, exorbitant cost 4.63. While low cost 4.03, the found the middle value of cost 4.40. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.33. Change for July 5.7%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.33 rands, exorbitant cost 4.79. While low cost 4.17, the found the middle value of cost 4.44. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.48. Change for August 3.5%. Cardano estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.48 rands, exorbitant cost 4.48. While low cost 3.71. The found the middle value of cost 4.17. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.99. Change for September 10.9%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 3.99 rands, exorbitant cost 4.90, while low cost 3.99. The found the middle value of cost 4.37. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 4.58. Change for October 14.8%. Cardano gauge for November 2023. In the first place cost at 4.58 rands, exorbitant cost 4.58, while low cost 3.58. The found the middle value of cost 4.15. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.85. Change for November 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 3.85 rands, exorbitant cost 3.85, while low cost 3.00. The found the middle value of cost 3.48. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.23. Change for December 16.1%. Cardano gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 3.23 rands, exorbitant cost 3.23, while low cost 2.52. The found the middle value of cost 2.92. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.71. Change for January 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 2.71 rands, exorbitant cost 3.22, while low cost 2.71. The found the middle value of cost 2.91. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.01. Change for February 11.1%. Ran to Cardano estimate on Tuesday, February 14. Cost 0.153 coins. High 0.165, low 0.143.